How to download and access your Twitter data archive. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Twitter application. Now tap on your profile at the top left corner. Now click on Settings and Support. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on your account. Now click on Download and Archive of your data. Now enter your password. Now click on Next. Now tap on Send Code. Go back to your Gmail. Now copy the code. Open up Twitter again. Now paste the code and tap on Next. Now click on Request Archive. Now wait for some time until you get mail from Twitter to download your archive. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe also for more awesome content. Have a warning question about such topic? Drop down the comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.